I'm here at the University of Texas game cooking for the tailgate once again. This time we're making some hibachi. This was a great and unique meal to make at the tailgate, a little bit different than typical tailgate fare. What's nice about it is you can make it in batches so that you can cook throughout the entire tailgate, keeping the food hot. I'm going to start by cooking some fried rice. I just throw down some diced onions and some matchstick carrots. Let those start to cook up. Once they start to turn brown, I'm going to throw on my rice. So I made this rice the day before, boiled it in some chicken broth, and then just brought it in the pans already ready to go, dehydrated overnight. Now I'm going to fry it up on the griddle. I'm going to throw in a whole stick of butter with this pan of rice. Get everything all mixed up real good. Season that up with some salt, pepper, garlic, and add a little bit of MSG. We're going to keep tossing that around until it gets good and hot. When I see the rice start to crisp up a little bit, that's when I know it's time to add our eggs. So I'm going to make a little well right in the middle here. And for this amount of rice, I'm going to throw in about 9 eggs. I'm going to mix those up real good in that well and then toss that with the rice so that it's mixed thoroughly with the rice. Then we're about ready to do our final seasoning on the rice. I'm going to throw down some toasted sesame oil. This gives it that kind of Asian rice flavor. Then I'm going to throw on some minced garlic. I throw this on at the end because I don't want it to burn and turn bitter. And then I'm going to put a hefty amount of soy sauce on here. You could of course use however much you want. I like a good amount. It gives it a good flavor and it gives it its color. We'll toss those last seasonings all together. And then this rice is ready to pull off and throw in a pan. So hibachi, I cook in batches, so I'm going to throw this rice in this pan, cover it with a foil lid, and put it in a hot box. Then I'm going to just quickly clean off my griddle and throw down some mixed vegetables. So here I've got some onions and some more of those matchstick carrots. Got some cut up zucchini and some broccoli. I like to let that cook on the griddle top until it starts to get a nice char on it. Then I'm going to toss it around and let it kind of cook all the way around. When it gets to about the level that you like it, keep in mind that this is going to sit in a pan for a little bit while I finish cooking. So you kind of want to undercook it, otherwise it will turn to mush. But right before, I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the rice. I'm going to throw down some sesame oil, throw on some garlic, throw on some soy sauce. Then I can pull those vegetables off, cover them, and let them sit. Then, clean the griddle one more time, throw down some oil, and then I'm going to throw on about 5 pounds of chicken here. I've already pre-diced this chicken. You of course don't have to, it's just for the tailgate. It's much easier to have it pre-diced. I'm gonna let that cook until it starts to turn brown on one side. Then I'm gonna give it a good flip, let it brown on the other side. Don't forget to season everything as it cooks. I'm just using that salt, pepper, garlic mixture on everything. Then I'll finish this the same way. A little bit of sesame oil. And some soy sauce. Once your chicken's done, you're basically ready to serve. Pull everything out, kind of set it out in the pans so that everybody can build their own hibachi. This ended up being a great idea for tailgating. We had a variety of sauces on hand for people to top their hibachi with. They just made these nice bowls with rice, vegetables, and chicken, topped it with whatever sauce they like. Let me know what's another unconventional tailgate food that you've tried. Until next time, thanks for watching.